there's that fine line of nothing's ever really about you, even though it feels like it, because we only have our perspective. So it feels personal. So if you take anything away from this, nothing is ever personal. They're in their own way. They're in their own life. Okay. So that's the first thing. Nothing's personal. Second thing is have compassion. Have compassion for yourself and for the other person. Not that you have to fix, solve, or change anything. Just being human. Like, okay, I'm feeling insulted. Maybe they're having the worst day ever. It's not my problem per se to change it, but let's just soften it a little bit. And then what else can I do to take personal responsibility and accountability? Because sometimes we're like, everyone else is this, but I'm not. And if that applies to you, maybe it's just nice to look in the mirror and be like, how am I acting? What can I do?